Okay, so hello there. Welcome to our live stream for this night at 23:13 in the morning. I mean in the evening. Yeah, I just work with some nice looking touch into it. We just work. Okay, so the time here is okay. So today is Friday, 25 of July at 11:13 p.m. So now it's 11:13. Okay. So I'm working in the in the game which is the Clot DeLora on Roblox. Basically it's on Blocks DeLora, but we are having to discontinue temporarily and try to have a recap to make this into Clot DeLora. So in this video, you will see we are working with codes to server messages again. Yes, this is a server message. Okay, so since we have to use the chat to, yes, we're going to use the chat bar to grab into its chat bar. We can go here to Copilot. So let's go ahead to Copilot. So we have to we can't use this assistant, but as you may know, it will get to ruin all the codes that I'm working so hard to it. So we just go to avoid that first and try to Copilot. Alright, so let's go. First is okay, so let's make a code that brings the text into the chat box on Roblox. So if you're working on Roblox, it's research. Oh, okay. And here's how it looks like. So local is starter GUI. So we will use the game get service starter GUI. So we have starter GUI, GUI or GUI, you name it. So it's on the Lua script. So now we have to put this here, which is nice. So for the text, we have to put there is one. Where's the text? Here we go. This one. So we have to put this one. Player dot display name says filtered text. What is filtered text? So this one I am working with server message to see if everything will work. Okay. Alright, so maybe we'll try to source sounds bold, text size is 18, so we're just working on it. So as you will see, that is now liking here because we are on live. Okay, so to modify some things, we could do text chat service, chat window configuration, and we just Source Sense Pro as the default font for it. The chat input bar is Source Sense Pro. Yes, Source Sense Pro. Why not? Channel tabs, Source Sense Pro. Yeah. Bubble chat, Source Sense Pro. Yes, that's how it looks like. So medium is unavailable, so we have to use bold text, or you can use regular text if you want to. Alright, so let's play here. Anyway, so the music that I'm using here is from the game of Wonder Zoo by Game Love. I just remastered to use it here. Special credits to Game Love for Wonder Zoo theme song. Alright, so it will show me this logo, which is nice. Hello, yeah. but we have to modify its chat configuration, so I don't need that. So we have to use 24, and it will be like this. So it's default text font. Okay, so right now, what if we are going to use the server message? What if what happens if I put right here? It will work. Well, I don't know, but let's see. So let's type here. Okay, so what here? Okay, so I know it. So yeah, we have errors. We have warning here, so it says starter GUI set call must be called from a local script. So since we are on server message, well, it's not possible to use server script, which is, yeah, it's not possible. So we have to access the server message GUI, and this one is submit. So it says input remote event on client event connect function local players, okay, disable players, local player, okay, so anything like that, and this is how it looks like. Now we have to put these filter text as the reason. From here, let's see if you see the fire all clients here. Correct. So player and filter text. That's for here. So let's play and see what we got. Alright, so it's loading. To do a server message right now, so let's say hello and see what will happen. Okay, so here we have hello. Okay, so now we got a problem. So players that local player queue with server message submit 21 is attempting to concatenate string with instance. So that's okay, so that means we have the player instance right here. Let's check. Alright, so since it's player, yeah, we cannot do anything here. Yeah, we see. Now what we have to do here is to use the indexing, or you just grab filter text and player. So we have to use that. So we have to put filter text as the first and see if this will work. Alright. So right now it's working now. So let's test again. Test. Okay, it will work, but I didn't see anything here. I don't know why. Let's see again. So at the first glance, it works right here, but after we put this test, looks like it doesn't do anything. Yeah, just again. So yeah, it doesn't do anything here. It doesn't show text right here. Yeah. So let's ask Copilot that it doesn't show. So let's test. I just put the wait until it's active. Alright. So let's test. Okay, so yeah, it's just not work. So yeah, maybe we have to use something. So we have to add this in starter player scripts to see the testing. Okay, so let's check. Welcome to the world of Clot, DeLora. So I just put in starter player scripts, so let's check. Yeah. Oh, it should show something. It should show something. Let's check it out, by the way. Okay, so yeah, after doing this, yeah, looks like it's yeah, so some experiences use custom chats that had chat disabled. If chat active never returns, then double check in-game settings, make sure chat is enabled. And it's just completely custom. Is it? Okay, so yeah, it doesn't do anything here. So yeah, at least we do it. But yeah. Anyway, we have to work around with flower shops, maybe. But yeah, I'll show you here something. So I just go to play to check some settings. Alright, another one. Okay, so it doesn't do anything here, so now we must to not use that. Okay, so on this thing, by the way, we have to disable captures, so it can't prevent from taking pictures. So it's getting service, which is starter GUI, starter GUI, and then we just use captures to disable captures. Yep. Okay, so we have to disable captures permanently, so let's play around. Alright, so the capture is now disabled, and we can work around with it. So I will show you some sort of things that I'm making right now. But first we have to start first because I have to adjust some size of this because it's too big from this to this go to resize into the top, then we can adjust right there, then we just back 47%. Now just for sure we have to move these things around. Right, so we're going to go ahead and play here to see the final result. So we have loading bar. Alrighties, so we have the print cafe warehouse. I'm just working with something here. There's an avatar. That's my friend, by the way. She is Malaysian. So if you don't know this, I just posting up on Instagram since for around like a day ago, maybe 1 week. So as you may know that we have a lot of coffees to choose from, but let's now use it for coffee. Now you can drink coffee right here on them, which is nice. Oops. So once you try 5 drinks, once you click 5 drinks for that, it will remove it from your inventory. That will pretend to be it's empty. So we have security guard here. Alright, so we have the flower shop is not finished yet. I have to work this in front deck before I'm going to start with Dripville County, which this one will be tomorrow. We have to work with Dripville County for 2 days, so stay tuned for that. So sorry I didn't upload for a long time. I'm too busy playing Roblox and Grow Garden. But this is so legit. Now see, maybe we have same here, but I have to change that soon. Maybe we have to change to matcha, milk tea, and any more. So let's test that. But if I do it here, if you try to press this, it doesn't do anything. Why? That is because you have the existing drink already. So, but if not, you can keep picking up. Oops. Oh, I just forgot to anchor this. So anyway, I just going to fix that. Here we have the cocoa, and you can also drink that right here. So the animations are now implemented since blocks DeLora. So that's animation. But anyway, I have to do some foods. We can go here, Floxy Cola, Apple, anything. Okay, so I have to put this in players, local player, backpack, and paste it right here. Now here we go. So let's eat. Okay, this is the burger, but it doesn't do like teleporting this food into your face, but instead animating. Huh? Oh, what? Oh, it looks like it doesn't do anything here. Okay, so you need to clone on it. So you must clone this up. Just for sure. So there's a script. Let's see this one. So we have to remove this. Alright. So needs to be cloned to use this feature. Alright. But at least we work on this thing. So I have to update its UI for some reason. Alright. So anyway, that's all for this video, and as you may know that this game will now uses our Philippine time to determine that it's night in the Philippines or day in the Philippines. So yeah, so we are using the Malaysian Philippine time in order to follow its rules to go to sleep and everything. So it will not go into day night in any minute. That's because we have to follow the system time. So yeah. Anyway, that's all for this video and this game. If you are saved the link from Blocks DeLora before, this is the same thing, but we have making a remnant of Clot DeLora, and now we are going to work with Ripple County for tomorrow, and I have to finish its flower shop in order to work. Alright, so that's all for this video, and I hope you enjoy. So be sure to subscribe, like, and share. So that's all for it, and see you in the next live stream, and maybe see you in the next video. Oops. Okay, so yeah, that's all for it again. So see you in the next video. So what's up? Yo, what's up? So shout out to you. Alright, so anyway, that's all for this video. I mean on the live stream. So see you in the next one.